Down at the Devols lock, we've had way too much rain, and more up in Noble County up that way, so this stuff is coming down toward us. I'm not getting any closer to the end than this. Wow. Go over here, stay well away from the edge. Little bit of a slip there. There we go. It should not be this high. Not good. So the highest that goes on that scale right on there is 18, and it right now is at about 13. And a U.S. Fish and Wildlife guide just told me Noble County is up north from here, and he said this is all coming down this way. I see a log or something floating down. Not good, people. Not good at all, and it's very muddy. Very muddy. We've had a lot of runoff and erosion. Not good. Not good at all. Later, y'all.